Hello there and welcome to the virtual drive. So the drop test video is complete and I have a dropped version of the phone. The phone, I would say, is totally disappointed, but what to say, for the price point that Nokia has been giving this phone with such a beautiful design, I would say that again I'm pretty much disappointed with the device. There is a terrible fact that I have to say, because I'm going to tell you how much it is going to cost to get this display repaired. So first of all, the number of drop tests that I did was on the back, and the phone was pretty okay. There was no damages on the back side, and even on the sides there were a little bit of scratches, but when I dropped it face first and on the sides, you can see what has happened. It has no shock proof on the sides, so the display is totally shattered. As you can see, I want to show you that the display is totally shattered. The nominal height that it would fall from, usually if you drop it from your hand, even that had cost it. So now let's talk about the repair cost. You can see that from the point of impact it's going on, but still the good point about this is that the phone is strikingly working well. I mean, like, there is no lag or anything with the phone. Even the camera is unfortunately, when the camera and all the buttons are working fine, there is no problem. I think this will confirm the sturdiness of Nokia. The digitizer is damaged here, but still it is able to open the camera. So talking about the price of the phone, it originally comes at 13,999, but with the discounted price at Nokia's website as well as on Amazon and Flipkart, you would probably get it for 10,999 or sometimes 9,999. And ladies and gentlemen, the cost of the display is 7,600 from an authorized Nokia care center anywhere in India. So the price of the phone is 10,000 and the display costs 7,600, which made me terribly angry. But what to do? We all expected a thin design from Nokia, and what they have done is, basically, if you rip apart the display, you can see most of the major components are attached as a single design behind the screen. So if you were to replace the screen, it'll obviously replace the internal boards as well as the charging port. Everything comes along with the display. So make sure to check out the video of the original Nokia Clear case. This case, the review of it is on my channel, and I also have done a drop test with the case on, and in those cases the phone managed to escape from every time I dropped it. It managed to escape. So make sure to put on a case, especially if you're buying this device, or else you will have to spend almost 3/4 of the total price that you have paid for the phone to change this particular display. Now I'm worried. So other than that, the phone is great. You can also check out the review on my website. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned to Virtual Drive for more videos. Bye bye.